Some of these older ones might get 500 plus in the stack temperature. This one's going to be lucky to get to a net 300. Things are more and more efficient every year. The most efficient way to heat your home, high efficiency furnace with oil heat. Eleven and a half. Trace